So, now that I can talk again this week, I'm going to show how to make an elvish steampunk belt. This one wasn't actually a request, but after a couple weeks of being sick, I decided to start with something easy. So a company called BeeBeeCraft sent me a few of their things to try, and as soon as I saw these wooden leaf beads, I knew they'd be just perfect for the steampunk elf. So I alternated painting some of them metallic gold, and then some of them metallic copper. And then I got a second-hand belt, and I just placed the leaves at regular intervals down the belt, threaded a needle with some black thread, and then just sewed those onto the belt and through the hole in the leaf beads, and then just tied them together on the back side. So here it is with the leaves. And I left the end of it plain so that the belt could go through the belt loop. So then I took another gold leaf and I put some metallic copper paint on a dry brush and just dabbed that on to give it kind of an antique look. I did that with 2 leaves. Then I took a distressed scrapbooking bread and I pushed it through the 2 holes in the leaves. Then I took some gold chain left over from the 1 ring I did, and I pushed the back ends of the bread through one of the loops on the chain and spread the tails out on the back side to hold it in place, just like that. And then I just tied the chain with some thread through the belt on the back side. So that just dangles, and the curve of the leaf is different than the leaves actually attached to the belt. So then I took a compass. This came with the monocle from the steampunk goggles, and some chain that was left over from the Darth Vader costume. And I tied the chain to the compass. And then I just took a gold paper fastener and pushed it through the chain and spread the tails out on the back side of the belt to hold it in place so that it dangles with the leaves. And then of course I had to take some gears, and I put some gold paper fasteners through the center holes of the gears and spread the tails out on the back side. And I put the gears in between each of the leaves. So there's the belt so far. And then I took the pouch that I used for my Rey costume, and I took some brown distressed fabric and I threaded that through the clasp and tied the ends off on the back side near the top. And then I took some more of that Vader chain and I threaded that through the clasp as well, and then slipped the ends through the distressed fabric on the back side, and then just took the ends of the chain and took some wreath wire and attached them to the belt. And so here is the entire belt with this little pouch, just perfect for holding candy canes or some other elvish elements. Fastest candy canes in the north.